Hi Internet, I have just released a new version of Kando, the cross-platform pie menu which I'm currently developing. And this version now comes with a fully functional menu editor for the very first time. So we are really getting closer to the first real release of Kando. And in this short video, I want to show you what I have changed in the menu editor over the last couple of days. Most importantly, each menu item type now has its own properties here on the right hand side. So for instance, if we select one of these items here, you can see that you can edit the URL which will be opened when you select this item. We also have the items which open applications, like for instance here. And yeah, you can here see the command which will be executed when you select that specific item. And of course, we also have the items which simulate hotkeys. So for instance here, this item when selected will simulate the Ctrl-V key for pasting stuff. You can directly edit the hotkey here. It will be highlighted if it's a valid hotkey, but you can also choose to record the hotkey by using that button here. And the cool thing here is that you do not have to press the buttons simultaneously, but you can press them one after another. So there are some hotkeys which you want to simulate, but which are kind of hard to record. For instance, Alt F4, which will close the window here if I press it. So to record this, you can just press Alt and then later F4, and you will have this recorded here. Similarly, you can now also specify the hotkey, which will open the menu. There's also a similar widget here for selecting the hotkey. You can again just type the name in here, or you use that button to record the hotkey. Furthermore, there's now also a tip shown here below the properties whenever you select an item in the preview. And this tip will help you to get started. It will show some useful information regarding the currently selected item type. And maybe you can always learn something new here. Overall, this new version comes with a whole bunch of other tweaks and fixes and changes. You can have a look at the changelog of Kando. It's pretty long for this version, so there are many small tweaks and fixes. There are also some breaking changes which you should be aware of, especially if you are using the menu already. Maybe an interesting change is that I managed to improve the performance of opening the menu and of opening the menu editor significantly. So both the menu itself should open now significantly faster, about 5 times, and also the editor opens much faster now. This will be especially noticeable on lower end machines. Yeah, functionality wise, we are really getting closer to the first official release of Kando. There will be some bug fixes, some quality of life changes, like for instance a better example menu, and of course some documentation is still missing. But overall, I think we are getting really close to the first official release here. Yeah, it would be cool if you could download this new version of the prototype, test it for any remaining bugs and report them on GitHub. You can also join our brand new Discord server. The link is somewhere down there in the description. We can use this to discuss anything related to the project. You can report any issues there or just tell us what you use Kando for. Yeah, that's it for now. As always, you can follow and support any future development of Kando on my Ko-fi page. The link is also down there in the description. And yeah, see you for version 1.0 next time. Bye.